If you're tired of Bumble and want to delete your account, well, this video is for you. Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Bumble account. Now let's begin. Let's open Bumble on our mobile device. And now let's go to our profile. Once we go to our profile, the only thing that we want to go to is the settings. Simply click on the settings that you will find on the top right corner of the screen. Now there are lots of available settings here that you can play around with, but for now, let's just scroll down and you will be greeted by the main option that we're looking for, delete account. Let's click on it and it will ask us for reason for deleting Bumble account. Whether you're in a relationship, billing issue, dissatisfied with service or others, simply select whichever one you wish and again delete account. Now it will ask for our confirmation and to enter the delete text. Once you have typed it, simply hit on confirm. Your Bumble account is successfully deleted. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.